your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. I would love to have you join my channel. If you haven't already, I would love to have you subscribe. If you are returning, thank you so much for returning and tuning into the video. So as you guys read by the title, today I am going to be resetting my bed here. I'm just going to switch out my comforter completely, switch out my sheets completely, and just put on a whole different comforter and pillowcase and just redo my bedding, just because I just want a new vibe. I am just washing my sheets and things weekly and just changing out the same sheets, the same bedding, and putting it back on my bed. But this time I want to completely switch it out. I've had this big, huge, fluffy quilt UGG blanket on my bed for the past couple of months, just because it has been colder outside. But I am just kind of tired of it, and since it is a new month, I want to switch it out, and I'm going to go ahead and do that with you guys, just to show you how I reset my bed. Now I still have to do like a bunch of decorating around my room here, and I'll kind of show you guys. It's really like plain looking right now, but I still am trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. I have changed my mind so many times about like what I want to do to my room and how I want to decorate it, and kind of what color theme I want to keep, or do I want to keep the color theme I already had and just, you know, build on top of it. I did end up hanging this picture that you guys see here on this back wall that was kind of in my old room. I did end up hanging it up on my wall here just because it was down for a while, because I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it back up, but I figured I do really like that, so I'm thinking about maybe switching out the whole vibe later, but sticking to it for right now. But as of right now, I think it looks really cute right there, and I'll show you guys up close. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset my bed here, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope this give you some inspiration to, since it is a new month, to just kind of refresh your room, refresh your bedding, if you are sick of the same vibe, or if you kind of want to switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna add the sheets, the new pillowcases, everything is freshly washed and everything like that, and I'll show you guys the old comforter that I had on there as well. And so this is my really huge blanket here. Now it's really comfy, it keeps you nice and warm, but it can get kind of hot, and it is amazing just for sleeping. But I am, like I said, kind of tired of it, so I'm switching out from this big fluffy guy. I'm gonna hang it up, put it up for a while, and just switch to a different bedding and just change it up a little bit. So far I've got my base on. Really simple white green line sheets. They are cotton, and then I have my green pillowcases. They're like olive green, and then more of like a really subtle green. So that's kind of going to match my comforter on my bed that I'm going to be putting on. Now you guys can't really see the detail of the sheets. I'll try to get it up close for you, but it's just like a really simple white cotton sheet with green lines in it. I feel like the green is just so homey. Green is one of my favorite colors, so I love to just do green as well. So I'm sticking with that simple, clean looking. I just wanted to look refreshed as well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the comforter on as well. And this is the comforter that I'm gonna be put on. As you guys can see, it is much different than the one that I just took off my bed. It's way more lighter, but it still has a bunch of fluff to it. So it is still really comfortable, but just a lot lighter and a lot more refreshing looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Just that easy, just that simple. It was not like a duvet or anything where I had to add like a cover inside of a cover. I've got this freshly washed and clean, and I want to go ahead. I have some accent pillows that I want to add onto it, so I'm just going to go ahead and add those on. My accent pillow, guys, so this is my favorite pillow ever. I had two of these, but one of them was like a cream color and it got dirty, so I decided to do away with that one just because it just kept getting dirty. But this really gray, charcoal gray one, and it's so fluffy, and I've washed it and cleaned it, and it still maintains the color, just so pretty, so fluffy. So I'm gonna use this as an accent pillow. And then this pillow here, it kind of came with my bedding, so this is just an additional accent pillow to have that matches the bedding. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Alright guys, so this is my bed all refreshed with my new bedding on here. And I know kind of like the blanket and everything looks a little wrinkled, and that's just because, like I said, it did come out of the washer. But as the day goes on, I don't like steam it or like iron my sheets or anything like that, because as the day goes on, the wrinkles will kind of fall out on their own and it'll just give it like that nice smooth look. But I do plan on putting a picture of some sort. I do have a picture in my Amazon cart that I want to put right here. So guys, I will show you guys that once it comes in. I'm gonna put it over my bed, and it just says like sweet dreams, and I think that it'll be perfect over my bed. Like I said, I have not decorated. The most I did do was put the mirror up here, and then I put the vase and then the limbs inside of there. And I still have to figure out about curtains, what I want to do for curtains, because I have two separate windows here. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to leave it like that, because I kind of like the open look. And at my last place I didn't do curtains either, because I really enjoy like the light and the open look. But I'm trying to figure out if I want to do curtains this time. And in this corner here, I'm trying to figure out if I want to put like a plant or something. And then, like I said, I'm going to do my picture here, and I have this mirror here for now, but as I switch things up, I probably will switch the mirror. I'm not sure. I may leave it there as well. And then this picture here, like I said, I had this at my old place. It was more like where the lamp is, but I decided to put it here because I am thinking about doing like a seating area here, or like a table and a chair, or putting like a little seating area here in front of my bed, because I do have like ton of space in my room. And I'll show you guys, my room is like really huge, so it is going to be really easy to like decorate and fill it up. I'm standing in like the corner of my room, and as you can see, it's like really huge. I have a corner space over there that I don't have anything in as well, so thinking about putting something there. But yeah guys, I have tons of space here, and I just have to figure out like decoration wise, and tons of space on this side too. And like I said, this is the comforter that I did take off of my bed, and I'm gonna get that to the washer and then just put that up. But yeah guys, that is it for my bed refresh reset. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely comment below. And like I said, if you are new here, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more of like the room decorating and everything like that, because I do plan to finish getting that together soon. But thank you. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.